Hey guys, what is up? It's Nikki, and today we are talking about a topic that it has literally been my life recently, and that is finding happiness after divorce, especially if you are trying to balance parenting and personal life. Let's get into it. Many people see divorce as an ending, but you got to realize that you are just getting started. This is a new beginning, a fresh start, if you will. This time you get to rediscover your joy and build a fulfilling life for yourself and for your kids without any outside distractions, we'll say. But how do you find the balance? We're going to talk about it right now. Now, first up is self care. Y'all know I'm always talking self care because it is that important. Whether you're going on a morning run, reading a book, sipping your coffee or tea in silence, find what is going to refuel your soul. When you are recharged, then you're a better parent and you're a happier version of yourself. We all could use some happiness. Next up, you need to tighten up on those boundaries. It is 100% okay to say no or to ask for help. Now, kids need to see that you value yourself too. And unfortunately, kids actually repeat what we do rather than what we say. So, this is going to teach them respect and self care. And that is vital for their happiness and growth as well as yours. So, a win is a win. Now, absolutely use this time to build your tribe. You need to connect with those friends, the family members, and communities like ours, if I'm being 100% honest, so that you have a support system to help you. And it's going to help make a difference with you managing the ups and the downs of your life post divorce. Lastly, get out there and create some joyful moments for you and your kids. Whether that is a movie night, cooking session, a day out, whatever it is, whatever y'all jam is, make sure that you use these moments to build a bond and make memories that boost everybody's spirits because the kids go through a lot too. You didn't just go through it by yourself. Remember that happiness after divorce actually does exist and it is possible, even if you don't see it in your hindsight yet. So prioritize yourself, tighten up on those boundaries, lean on your community, and cherish time with your kids. You got this, and we are rooting for you every step of the way. As always, stay beautiful, stay you naturally, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.